Want to fully charge your battery but still protect it from overcharging? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a smart feature called Basic Battery Protection that stops charging when your battery reaches 100%. Here's how to turn it on. Open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Battery. Tap Battery. Next, tap Battery Protection. Make sure to turn it on, and then select Basic. When this option is enabled, your phone will stop charging once it hits 100%. Then, when the battery drops to 95%, charging starts again automatically. This helps reduce stress on the battery while keeping your phone fully charged. It's the best choice if you often leave your phone plugged in, like overnight or at your desk. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.